Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix OneDrive error 0x80049d61 in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type here CMD. Now right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command %sign local app data %sign /Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive.exe space / and reset. So type this command line, then press enter. Now guys, close it and restart. So this way guys you can fix and resolve OneDrive error 0x80049d61 in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.